Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langat Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. So today in this video I am going to explain about types of reaction. So let us start with the types of reaction. So what is the reactions actually? The chemical reaction is the transformation of one chemical or collection of chemicals into another chemical or collections of chemicals. A chemical reaction involves making new chemical bonds and breaking old chemical bonds. So, reactions of organic compounds can be organized broadly into two ways: by what types of reactions and how these reaction occurs. So, the types of reactions, we know that the types of reactions organic compounds undergo is divided into four categories. More than four categories also there, but for basic level I am saying divided into four categories. These are addition reactions, substitution reactions, elimination reactions, and rearrangement reactions. Now, addition reactions. What is addition reactions? Addition reaction occur when two starting materials add together to form only one product with no atoms left over. In an addition, all parts of the adding reagent appear in the product. Two molecules become one. You can see here. This is a substrate and this is another substrate. So ethylene react with bromine in carbon tetrachloride. You will get this is the single products. You see, these combine together forming single product. Again, HX react with this substituted alkene, you get this products. So this is example of addition products. Now, substitutions reactions. What is substitution reaction? Substitution reaction occurs when two starting materials exchange group to form two new products. You see, A, B and C, D. Breaking occurs, C attached with the A forming AC and D attached with the B. So BD. In a substitutions, one group replace another. Now this is examples. You see HCl in the presence of sodium hydroxide, taking water and sodium chloride. This OH minus react on this substrate acyl chloride forming acid. So what happened here? This Cl is transferred with the OH. Now this is methane chlorinations. Chlorinations under UV light, HNO, you will get this product, methyl chloride. So what will happen here? This CH bond will break and this Cl will form. So breaking of CH and forming of CCl bond. So hydrogen is substituted by Cl. So this is examples of substitution reaction. Now eliminations. What is elimination reaction? Elimination reactions are the opposite of addition reaction. Just opposite. You see here AB gives A plus B. What is this? A single reactant is split into two products. You see, this is single product. So here H and B are removed HBr and forming this product in the presence of base. Now, elimination reaction gives us a method for preparing compounds with double and triple bonds. Two sigma bonds are broken and a pi bond is formed between adjacent atoms. You see, this is two sigma bond will break and one pi bond will form. So, additions and elimination reaction are exactly opposite. A pi bond is formed in elimination reaction, whereas a pi bond broken in the addition reaction. You see, this is the formations in elimination reaction, and this is the broken in addition reaction. So in elimination reactions, double bond is forming, but in addition reaction, double bond is break out in single bond. So here addition, here subtraction. So now rearrangement. This is very important reaction at higher levels. You will learn in higher classes. Rearrangement reactions occurs when one starting materials forms one product with a different arrangement of atoms and bonds. You see here this CS3, CS3, CS3 attach on this carbon, but you never see any carbon which contains 3-methyl group. What will happen? Here after reaction with acid, something arrangement occurs. So if you count the number of carbon atom, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon is here also, but under arrangement. The product is an isomers of the starting materials. So we have so far seen the different type of reactions. Next I will discuss about the mechanisms of organic reactions. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe it and share it with your friend. Thank you for watching my video.